So this is the doorstep, and if I step down, my whole foot is covered in water. Which, this has never happened before. We had flooding over the winter 2 years ago when the ground was frozen, but it is now July 1st. And we never had a flood here. And there's our neighbor's property where they regraded the hill. There used to be a much bigger hill there, and there used to be a forest. So now nothing is stopping this water. And I get it that this is sort of a freak storm, but this should not happen. And the garage, and again, my feet are covered. Turn the light on. In the yard. So the garage is totally flooded. And the yard, which I'm now going to wade through. Yep, up to my ankle. Up past my ankle.